Hello, I'm Chef Vivien, French chef. Today, eggs cocotte, œuf cocotte in French. It's a really simple, basic French recipe, but so tasty that you can make for breakfast, for English breakfast, American breakfast, continental breakfast, whatever breakfast. And of course, no recipe with eggs in English without bacon, so we will do with bacon. By the way, this is pancetta. It could be smoked, just salted. We will gently fry it, and after we follow the recipe with the eggs. My oven is already switched on. I preheat it at 180 degrees Celsius. 160 degrees Celsius. So this we will fry. So idea of œuf cocotte is to cook an egg in low, not too hot temperature, inside his own white part, or in liquid cream. The basic one is just egg, butter, salt and pepper. But today we will do a little bit better. We will do œuf cocotte à la crème, so eggs in cocotte with liquid cream, and one will be with bacon. We put our bacon in a hot fry pan. Voila. For the good taste of crispy bacon. It will be more salty. It will be, let's say, too much salty, but it's what is good. Now, instead of bacon, you can put some fried mushrooms, fried shallot, fried onions, some shrimps, cooked shrimps, every time in the bottom of your ramequin or cocotte, every time before the egg. But first, the butter. Here I have really soft butter. Then I can put butter in my cocotte, like this. Second, the same. So this, whatever recipe of egg cocotte, you will do every time this. Butter in the cocotte. Let's check the bacon. Need more. So the bacon I will put down the egg for one, and for another one will be only with cream, but cream it come after. So now the typical plain recipe of egg cocotte. Salt in the bottom. It's a pink one, but you can use a white one, but it's to show you. Some pepper. And now it's the question just to break the egg this way, rapproche, and we put it in a cocotte, delicately, like this. And this every time you put in a bain-marie. So this will be something which go to the oven, and we will put there hot water. Let's check if two enter here. Yes. We wait a little bit. Our bacon. My bacon is perfect. You see, brown, tasty. What I propose to you is for the dressing, one down to give the taste, and one up after cooking for dressing. We cut it. Crispy. You try it. In our second cocotte. Now a bit of salt because this is salty. Pepper and the egg. This. Hop. Gently on top. Really hot water. Boiling water till the center of the cocotte, more or less, yes, like this. To the oven. Up for about 5-7 minutes, depend of the consistency of your cocotte and the temperature of your egg. For the cream you have two options. Or you exit your eggs 1 or 2 minutes before and you add your cream liquid cream, raw cream in your cocotte, or what is more usual and traditional, you warm it up in a pan to reduce her a little bit to make more silky consistency. You add some pepper, you add some salt, you every time season all parts of the dish. Hop, and we warm it to just boil, and after slow down. When it's boiling, less fire, you will let it reduce. You can flavor it with curcuma, with curry, with smoked paprika, spicy, not spicy, whatever you like. It's really versatile dish. You can make many options. Hop. Meanwhile, I can prepare some delicate slice of bread, not crouton, but toast of bread. This size is nice. Voilà. In a toaster. Now, if you're really gourmand, you can also use the pan. If you don't have even toaster, the fat in the pan and toast like this. It will be more heavy. Now it's ready. The white part is like a mirror, and it's what we need. So this little part is because it's quite still raw, but the cream, the oat cream, will finish the cooking and let it really let the white really silky and soft inside. So we put the cream on top of this white. Don't put on the yolk. Now the second one. We cover completely white with the cream. Now you take your plate, you put some nice paper. Now we take off the eggs, take care it's hot. So this with the bacon, it's hot. Use something, huh? If you are not a chef. The plain one, you serve with the bread toast. And for this one, the bacon, because it's with bacon. And you have a fantastic breakfast, fantastic Sunday dinner when you don't know what to do. Every time have eggs and some cream, so you can do this good dish, really healthy, it full your body, it's very nice. Of course you need to eat it hot and immediately. Let's try. Bread, egg yolk, and you take all of white part a bit. Very tasty. And after this, you eat with bread and a spoon. It's fantastic. When you have good eggs, it's even more fantastic. Don't forget to put a like and subscribe to this channel.